right, half of our group got separated intentionally, and now we're going to do a link up with them, with the big boys. Yeah, I'm hearing you good on the CB. I got to check my antenna. I'm hearing you real good. Just lining up, getting connected with the boys again. All right, Dan is just getting a little tug back from Kobe. Oh yeah, how the hell did that happen?
Slid off the rock. There's
Damn.
a rock right there.
Man, I'm gonna cut hard. I don't want to make that mistake.
You got bigger tires than me. I had to be on the rock.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Jeez.
give attention, Kobe. Yep. Get in your seat, TJ. Why are you up?
Hey, you're off the tree already, so if you could driver and back up. Driver and back up.
Yeah.
Let go of the tree.
Yeah, stop. Yeah, stop right there. Stop right there. Let Kobe pull your ass end more. There you go. You got 6 inches. Keep going. It's dragging you right over. 8 inches. That's probably about it. All right. Now, do you think you can go straight? Your tires are driver right now.
Hold on, let me unhook you.
Hold on a second, Dan.
Yeah, it's just there's a rock right at my rear.
Nope, no problem. We'll get you through this. You do have a winch in the front, right?
Yeah.
So if we have to, we could pull you.
Pull me
Yep.
that way.
Okay.
I would try to back up driver. Straighten out and go back. Right there.
I made it worse. Okay, come.
All right, we're gonna winch you forward, hard passenger then, huh?
Does yours have a bump field on it? Yeah. So did mine. My hood rocker is the same spot. Well, didn't even know it.
All right.
Way down below the
So Dan's passenger tire kept slipping off that rock and putting him into the tree. He actually hit the body.
It's on.
There we go.
Pull in, tighten in, tighten in.
Yeah, he actually hit that tree. He slid right off and pounded into that freaking tree. There we go. Come on, baby.
Steering up. You go straight, baby. Yeah. Pull your ass in somewhere, man.
Yeah, I mean, you're not one of them, right?
Nice. All right. No, not at all. Ryan noticed that his front drive shaft was extremely hot, so I think he's going to kick it in two-wheel drive and just coast along here for a little bit. Dave and Michelle kicking ass today. Clifford, Dan and the kids eating sandwiches. Kobe, Rick and Mike running tail gun on this trail. Great day for wheeling. the Jeeps lined up. We're heading towards a rocky area. I'm tail gunning right now, so we're just tightening it up, and then we'll get up there and see what's going on with the boys. Okay, this is that crazy rock next to that tree. I did this last time, and then there's a nice rocky section up here straight ahead, and then you go up to the left. You might remember this from my earlier video here. This is a nice climb. You got that tree right there. Kobe's lined up nice. And then out there behind Tom is some crazy gnarly rocks, and then the trail goes driver. Looking good, brother. Very nice. That was what, just rear lockers? Open, open. Nice job, man. You're gonna need that rear locker coming up. Okay, now you got that crazy V-notch. Look at Kobe getting over it. Wow, nice. Real nice.
Yep. Perfect. Yeah, hold the wheel there. Yep. You might have to be over just a little bit more with your passenger side. That line right there. Who else is going on? I don't know. There we go. Yep. Yeah, try that.
Get the rear higher up. There it is. Nice, Rick, nice.
I remember this from last
Yes. Through here.
Other thing, you don't have to go up the steep side, you go up the left side.
All right, here's that nice rocky section. Just crawled through this, just like last time. We hear the saws running. Maybe the trail's blocked up ahead. We got I believe a water crossing, and then some pretty gnarly rocks, a 6-foot climb, maybe 7-foot climb. And then over to the right, there's a lot of crazy loose rocks that Mike tried last time. So we got 2 high lift jacks out. Mike's running mine. Mike, don't scratch it. It's brand new. Please be gentle with it. Pull that bitch right up there.
Hey, Kyle? Yeah. Why don't you pull up a little?
And put a cable on it?
He's under there working.
Nice, nice.
And let's put the winch or something on the back of his cage.
All right. I said that I was a proponent for the high lift jack on the hood just for the simple means it's so fast to retrieve. As opposed to my other high lift jack is under the spare tire, which I would only use if I had a flat tire because you got to take the spare tire off.
Yeah, it's good off the bar.
It's going to lift it. It's going to be fun.
What happened here, Ryan? Do we know? Do we know what happened?
No idea.
What happened?
You need more? Nope.
Bolt broke?
You helping?
Who's under there? Scott? Bolt.
You want to help pull his cable out and stuff? Yep.
Bolt came out of the leaf spring, Scott?
Shackle came apart. The nut came off. So we had the side plate was not together.
I mean, I probably still try.
No, but I mean, like, why can't her and the baby come to the foot rack with us?
Little repair here.
I've seen her cable
Come
out.
out on the trail.
Oh, no. Yeah.
There you go.
She can hang
Want
out
another
at
wrench
the
in there?
cabin or go to...
All right, the boys are working hard putting a bolt back in on the leaf spring.
Yeah, a little bit more.
A little more what?
No, a little more. I can get it on like that. I can get it on.
You get on with it?
What do you want to do? Drop it down? Mike, jack a little bit? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Can't screw as much out. So if you're doing something, she's like, all right, screw you. I'm going to go see everything.
All right, somebody go up on the driver's side.
Yeah, you were over there.
Yeah, I came under to help him.
Up again on the driver's side?
Yeah, keep going. Yep.
Ooh, she's on a bit of an angle, huh? All right, they made their repair. They're lowering each high lift jack on each side of this Toyota, bringing her down. Success.
That did the trick. I think it heard something. He heard something, and then they looked. Yeah, I think I do.
Yeah, I think we're at that rock.